Welcome. We are doing Chapter 5 Homework 1, and this is Video 2 Solution Guide. Now, we're kind of ready to take this to the next level. In the last video, they told us angle 2 and angle 3 have to add up to angle 4 from our notes in class. And that works great unless you label them wrong, so be very careful. So we're going to try to label these. This would be angle 4 because he's outside, and then I'm just going to 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe pause the video and then just double check. So this is the angle on the outside, 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle on the outside, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is on the outside. Ooh. Now this is a distractor. Nothing's really going on with this line, so it doesn't really need to be there. But it could be there. So this is angle 4, and then 1, 2, 3. So I've labeled them 1, 2, 3, and 4 is on the outside. Okay, angle 4 is on the outside, so this is 1, 2, 3, and yep, 4 is on the outside. Angle 1, 2, 3, and 4 is on the outside. This angle is on the outside, so this would be 1, 2, 3, and again, 4 is on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4 is on the outside. Okay, so this is the angle they're talking about on the outside. This is 1, 2, 3, and I see a distractor, so I don't really need that there. It can be there, but I still just have a pennant, a triangle with a line extending. What do we got going on here? Okay, so here's my exterior angle, so I gotta call him 4, and then 1, 2, 3. And then this little line here really doesn't do anything. It's really just confusing me a little bit. Okay, now, we got all our angles, we know our formula, we just set it up and solved. But this formula is called EAT, Exterior Angle Theorem, because angle 4 is exterior. Let's do it. Angle 2 and angle 3 added together would be that. And angle 4, 11x plus 2. Let's set up the next one. Angle 2 and 3 are 46. 46 plus a -1 plus 8x equals 18x plus 5. Well, that's interesting. Subtraction is just adding a negative number. So I can rewrite this. It's interesting that worked out that way. We'll see what we get for x. So again, following this formula, angle 2 and angle 3 add up to angle 4. So angle 2 plus angle 3 add up to angle 4. Angle 2 and 3 add up to angle 4. Angle 2 and 3 add up to angle 4. Okay, now let's just do this clump. And you might recognize it's just algebra. So I'm getting a lot of good practice with my algebra. I got 68, right, if I combine these terms. And I rewrite. Now I have 5x over here and 11x, so it would make sense to move the 5x's over here. Now I have to get x by himself on one side. Okay, so I get x is 11. I'm starting to kind of get into the space there, so we'll just separate that. Okay, so if I divide 6 on both sides, I get 11. Next, I can combine these terms because they are alike. So to rewrite the problem, I get 45 plus 8x equals 18x plus 5. It would make sense to move the 8x over by the 18. And now I've run out of room. So if you need to use another piece of paper, that's totally fine. You keep on trucking. So I've got So, okay, so I got subtract 5 to both sides, I get 40. Divide 10 on both sides, I get 4. Awesome. Let's keep on going. 12. It looks like 30 and negative 10 could be combined to make 20. I could subtract 10x on both sides. I could add 4 on both sides. I could divide 2 on both sides. Okay, keep it going. Combine, combine. Ooh, combine, combine. So 5 and 4 make 9. 15x's and 22x's would be 37x's. Subtract 9 to both sides. Now I'm a little worried. I gotta grab a calculator. Let's see. I don't want to make any mistakes here. Ooh, so 111 divided by 37 was 3. Cool. Combine, combine. Subtract, subtract. Subtract, subtract. Divide, divide, and x would be 3. All right, now these are a little different. Let's see how they shake out. Again, same idea. I can add angle 2 and angle 3 make angle 4. So angle 2 and angle 3 add up to angle 4. Angle 2, angle 3, add up to angle 4. So I combine like terms. Cool, but I'm not done. That's the bugger. It said find the measure of S. So all I've really done is solve the mystery of the x, and I can plug this back in. So they're really asking me to solve for angle 3, which is 3x plus 4. So angle S is 3s plus x plus 4, and I know now that x is 12. So this is just asking for one more step. That'd be 36 plus 4 would give me 40. Final answer. Next question. Same formula, angle 2 and 3 add up to 4. So angle 2 and angle 3 add up to angle 4. Let's combine these like terms. Nine times 9 is 81. So I get x is 9. However, all I've done is solve the mystery of the x so that I can find the measure of angle h. So angle h is 5x minus 7. So angle h would be 5 times 9 minus 7. So angle h would be 45 minus 7. So angle H would be 38. Final answer. Let's keep going. Angle 2 and 3 add up to angle 4. So angle 2 and 3 add up to angle 4. And x is 6, but we're not done. We just solved the mystery of the x. They want angle FAB. So that's this angle, FAB. They're actually asking for the exterior angle. Well, angle FAB, I had to use 3 letters because there's more angles, more stuff going on there. But that angle is 13x minus 3, and we know x is 6. So we substitute in the 6. 78 minus 3, so we get 75 is the measure of FAB. Final answer. Sorry, my lights just went out there. Okay, there we go. We fixed it. Last question. Angle 2 and 3 have to add up to angle 4. Very important. So 80 plus 6x plus 6 has to add up to 15x plus 5. Let's combine these. Get all the x's on one side. Copy the problem. Get all the numbers on one side. Get x by himself. Okay, so now we solve the mystery of the x. They want angle YDC. YDC. So once again, YDC would be the exterior angle. So I'm going to plug in 9 for angle YDC. Angle YDC is 15x plus 5. And so if x is 9, we plug that in. So 15 times 9 is 135 plus 5. So angle YDC would equal 140. Final answer, 135 plus 5. Yep. Thanks for joining us.